Oo, ang sarap ng soup. Yung 20 euros namin.
Sulit siya. Worth
Sulit
it.
siya, guys.
Happy birthday.
Kaka-breakfast lang namin dito sa hotel. Now, heading to the city again, but sa other side naman. See ya! Dito tayo guys sa Waldsteinska. Sarada.
Umalis siya din.
Dito kami sa Waldstein Park guys. And na-witness namin, meron dito Freilaufende peacock. So pinanood muna namin siya. Akala namin doon siya lang doon lang siya parang nakakulong doon sa cavig niya na garden. Tapos nakatakas siya. Es jetzt gerade herumlaufen. So guys, maganda dito. So guys, ito pala yung yung park. So dito kami nag-entrance do. Tapos nandiyan yung peacock. Ayun siya. Gagala-gala lang siya. Hinihintay kasi naman ni Nico na yung niya. Tawag ba doon? Flügel. Yung buntot niya tumaas. So we decided ni Nico, since maganda naman yung weather, tapos may sun we decide na mag-park muna kami sa birthday ko. Welcome to the Czech Senate. So beautiful. Look. Oh, diba? So guys, behind us is yung sinasabi
Na Czech Senate.
Hey babe, pwede ka dito mag-übernachten. Rooms from 70 euros.
Wow, babe, ang ganda.
Ayun rooms.
We're getting some coffee.
Yeah.
Doon yung Charles Bridge.
Yeah, sa likod.
So ito yung kabilang side. So yeah. So there's this cool coffee spot na gusto namin i-check
So
out.
dalawa talaga siya. Yung
Dahil siya
isa,
magkatabi sila.
magkatabi nga. So nagsara. Anong gagawin ko? Sustan Huh? Ay. Oh yeah, skip it.
Thank you, bye.
Nag-coffee break lang kami. Now, kakain na kami, guys.
Happy birthday. Saan tayo mag-lunch, babe?
Korean barbecue.
Let's go! Muntik na tayo mabudo, nakala ko Popeyes.
Hindi pala.
Ano?
Ano lang, prank.
It's a prank.
Dito kami sa Praha Grogi. Dito kami magla-lunch.
So, parang nagiging tradition na yung...
I guess, gagawin na naman siyang tradition.
Yes.
Since hindi pa kami nakakapunta ng Korea. Gusto mo yung kasamang ano, ito. Yan ang gusto mo. Okay, try mo na siya. Hi. Oh, yan na, babe.
Hi.
You have from the top left shrimp sauce.
Yes.
One needs to go right here. Will you be grilling or will
I think I'll
Yeah.
take charge.
we love that? We love that.
I'll try my best.
I will guide you probably.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ano yan?
This is...
Nag-ano
Nag-car lang kami by car.
Galing ka na ng Vienna.
Yeah. Marunong kami.
Marunong pala na may
It's beef. Let's go in the grill. Ayan.
Oo, ang sarap ng soup. Ang anghang.
Naubos na namin. Sobrang busog. Grabe.
Guys, maglalakad kami. Kailangan namin maglakad. Ang dami namin nakain.
So, babalik kami sa Charles Bridge. And then, explore namin yung other side ng bridge. So guys, we just finished eating at... ano pangalan nung kanina natin?
Praha
Gogi.
Gogi.
And we are now going for some dessert.
Yeah.
So let's go.
So guys, kukunin ko yung soft serve. Creamy ice cream lang ako.
So we came to this cafe called Bijou Cafe? Huh? Bijou Kitchen?
Ano ibig sabihin yan?
Hindi ko rin sure. Pero meron silang soft serve ice cream. Wow. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Ano picture ko yan ah? Dali.
So guys, that's olive oil.
Yeah.
May parang popcorn pa siya.
Oo. Soft serve ice cream. Okay siya.
Olive oil and...
With?
Ano ba to? Soft serve ice cream, buckwheat, olive oil, and salt. Ano masarap?
Konti lang.
Oh, baby, olive oil is so good.
Masarap. Ooh.
Sarap.
Ang sarap ng combination.
So good.
Yeah. I never thought na ng olive oil, masarap siyang combi.
So we're here. Lumipat na kami ng camp kasi nalobat na ang
DJI, nakalimutan namin.
Ang
Dali yung
charger.
charger.
That's Charles Bridge over there.
Yeah.
And we're gonna cross it right now. As we're going up the Old Town Bridge Tower.
Yung ticket office nila. Alam mo kung darating ka sa kanila, hinihingal.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. It's tiring. Thank you.
Kasi binayad namin in total ay 500 Czech korun. Basta 500 siya. So, pag convert mo siya sa euro, mga 20 euros kami per person. For two, 20 euros for two. Guys, ginto kasi siya. Papasok ka, tapos nakadikit, ticket office, tataas ka. Hindi mo alam mo nandun ka na, pero wala pa. Dumating ka sa ticket office, hinihingal. Tapos tatanungin ka, kung gusto mo tumaas, halfway there daw. Tapos sa halfway there, naturally, sasabihin mo, okay, good. Upsell na nila yun. Tataas ka, guys. Kala mo yung, makita mo yung ano ka, outdoor. Guys, nandito ka sa isang room. Tingnan mo, may kasama siyang workout. Pero ang ganda ng view. Pero, I love it, du kannst weitergehen.
So, di naman siya budol. I take it back. Actually, it's worth the 10 euro fee. So, binabawi ko yung Hindi pala
Binabawi
siya
ko
scam.
rin, guys.
Hindi
Binabawi
siya scam.
ko.
Maganda yung view talaga.
Yeah, so hindi kami nag-inform.
Oo.
Maybe in-inform kami, hindi namin narinig
Oo.
na meron pang taas, guys. O na-misheard namin, maybe.
Oo.
We don't
Pero
know.
sulit yung 10 euro na entry kasi
Yeah.
may isa pang floor sa baba na makikita mo yung may magandang room. Tapos
Yeah.
ito yung parang sa
Yes.
last floor, sa pinakataas is yung view ng bridge sa likod. So, ayan.
Yung 20 euros namin,
Sulit
Ha?
siya. Oo, worth
Sulit
it.
siya, guys.
Tapos wala pa masyadong tao dito, kami lang.
Yeah.
Medyo masikip siya.
Yeah, masakit siya, guys.
Ayun o. It's around 6:14.
Kailangan pa namin maglakad, guys. Wala pa kami 10k steps. It has to be more than 10k steps. Yes. Ang daming tao, guys. No.
So maybe mas worth ito puntahan late in the afternoon pag Feeling ko wala na yung mga tourists kasi.
Hanggang 7 p.m. ang bukas.
So they're open until 7.
Pag summer, maganda siya pag medyo pa-sunset.
Oo, pero feeling ko dun mas maraming tao dito.
Mas madami doon tao, you think?
Oo, yeah, feeling ko. Siyempre lahat yun naabangan nila yung sunset.
Hindi pa kasi tourist season.
Oo, so it's May pa lang ngayon. Nandito kami in May. So wala pa masyadong tourist. Pero madami na tao sa baba.
Kailan ba mostly ang mga
Summer, siguro June, July. So yeah, chill lang kami muna dito.
Chill muna kami. First time nandito nakaakyat.
Oo, first time namin nakaakyat
So fascinated.
sa third time namin dito sa Prague. First time namin nakaakyat dito. Pero ang ganda, sobrang worth it. Ayan o.
Yes.
Queen. Hello.
Ay, meron na din Asian.
Saan? Saan?
Sa mga nakita.
Hindi ko makita. Ay.
So guys, ang dami nang kumaway. Ang dami nag-greet sa akin.
Happy birthday daw, sabi nila sa iyo.
Daw sa akin, guys.
Gama na lang, Sam.
Makuha ni Runde.
Ah.
Meron kasi dito sa loob, guys. Meron pa pwede tingnan. Diyan, lumalamig na rin.
Malamig na rin.
So,
So,
malaan ni Runde.
yes. Alright, I think it's time to go back down. So this is a holiday in Prague, or
No, it's a holiday only in Prague.
okay?
It's every year to celebrate the whole holy Johann from Nepomuk.
Okay.
One saint. He was killed here.
Oh.
He was thrown down from the bridge into the water by the king, and later he was saint.
We're actually leaving tomorrow, so this is our last day as well. So we're very happy to see
Maybe
this.
yesterday it started.
Thank you so much. Have a good evening. Thank you. Goodbye.
Maybe we will meet somewhere.
Yeah, no, that would be
I
great.
will